Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss about power. So, already work and energy, law of conservation of energy we discussed. In this class, so we will discuss about power. So, the amount of work done, power is nothing but the amount of work done in particular time interval. If you assign any work for any person, one person did the work in 5 minutes, another person did same work in 10 minutes, another person did same work in 1 hour. So who is having more power means all of them have done same work, but who did within less time, he is having more power. So work is going to be same. So I give 10 questions for you. So the 10 questions one person did in 10 minutes, one person did in half an hour, one person did in 1 hour. So who is doing in less time, they will be having more power. So what are the units for this? Work units joule, joule per second. So work unit Newton meter second, because work done formula F bar dot S bar by time. So displacement by time. So we came to know F bar dot V bar also we can write, isn't it? So force units Newton, displacement units meter, time units seconds. So always we won't write this. We can't write this. Our lazy unit is nothing but watts, or they will represent in horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts we are going to say. Correct? So this F bar dot V bar is also one of the equation for power, and this work, according to our work energy power lesson, this work can be written as, how we can write? Potential energy by time if they have given some amount of height. So one person is going to third floor within 5 minutes. One person, another person is going third floor in 10 minutes. So in 15 minutes, in 1 hour. Who is going in less time, he is having more power. All of them are going same height. All of them are going to get potential energy. Correct? Mgh by T. Same like that, if you have velocity, energy can be written as, or work can be written as half mv square by time. So machine gun problem they will give. Number of bullets fired from the gun. So each bullet. So you will be getting from this equation only. So power of the machine gun. So one object is having height and velocity. Both are having means we will write mgh plus half mv square by t. All these are the power equations which are related to work or energy. So this is also power equation. Sometimes you have to replace this mass with density. What is the power of the motor? To lift water from ground floor to top floor. So they won't give mass of the water. At the time, we will convert density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. At the time, this power can be written as, so rho V GH by T. So V is nothing but volume of the tank or capacity of the tank they will give. In liters they will give. So 1 liter is equal to 1 liter water bottle if you are taking, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Again the centimeter you should convert into meters. 10 a cube, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Correct? Then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. That is nothing but 10 power minus 2 meters whole cube. So 10 a cube into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So 10 power minus 3 meter cube. 10 power minus 3. So this is in centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. So in 1 liter water bottle, how much mass of water is going to be? So density of water, volume is going to be equal to mass. So mass of water, density of water is how much? 1 gram per centimeter cube. Otherwise, 1000 kg per meter cube. So, volume is nothing but 1000 centimeter. Therefore, mass of water is equal to 1000 grams. That is nothing but 1 kg. So, these are the equations for power. How these equations will be changed in our competitive exam, we will see. Next, see this power equation, F bar dot V bar. So, this F can be written as F bar is equal to M A bar. If you are going to write magnitude, means force and velocity in same direction. If they are writing power is equal to FV, cos 0 is 1. So, in place of F, we will write MAV. Now, we came to know this acceleration. So, here acceleration is going to be how much? So, A is equal to, so V into dV by dx. This is one acceleration. Another one is A is equal to dV by dt, rate of change of velocity. Correct? One acceleration is dV by dt. Another acceleration is V dV by dx. So MAV. So M into V dV by dx into V. So another equation if you want to write, or M into, what is acceleration we said? dV by dt into V. So left side we got our equation. Now see here, V into V, power is equal to mv square dV by dx. Here, so power is equal to mv dV by dt. You can bring this dx left side. So p dx divided by m is equal to v square dV. In this, so p by m into dt is equal to v dV. Now you can do integration on both sides. If you do integration on both sides, integral dx is going to be x. Integral v square dv, v power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is nothing but v cube by 3. Then see the relation between x and velocity if power is constant. So x is directly proportional to v cube, v is directly proportional to x power 1 by 3. This relation is going to be important. Now, if you do integration here, so p by m integral dt is t, integral v dv, v square by. Now see the relation between v and t. V square is directly proportional to t. That is nothing but v is directly proportional to root t for constant power, for mass already constant. So they will give the question whenever constant power is going to be applied, velocity and distance relation, velocity and time relation. So how they are going to ask problems on this equation, we will see just one example. Now see one example, force on an object F is inversely proportional to 4 root x. Force acting on an object with respect to distance, how this force is going to be varying means like this they will give. Then find the power and x relation. So power is directly proportional to x power n. What is this n value they will ask. So however it might be. So force is related with distance like this. How power will be related with x they will ask. At the time how we will do means power relation we came to know. Power is going to be F into V. Correct? Now force is equal to, we came to know MA. So MA is directly proportional to 4 root x they give. Then mass is constant. Therefore acceleration is directly proportional to x power minus 1 by 4. Here acceleration and distance relation. Whenever they give, how we can write acceleration? V dV by dx is directly proportional to x power minus 1 by 4. So why we wrote this one instead of writing dv by dt means here acceleration is varying with distance. Therefore, we have to take this. If this acceleration is given with respect to time, then we might have taken dv by dt if t power something is given means. Understood? Therefore, why we have taken this one means because acceleration is varying with distance. Now, v dv is directly proportional to x power minus 1 by 4 dx. If you do integration on both sides, integral v dv, v square by 2. I am writing directly proportional. You can remove all the constants. We want only x and v relation. X power minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Then v square is directly proportional to 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. I am removing this 2, 1 minus 1 by 4 because directly proportional I am writing. So let v square is directly proportional to 1 minus 1 by 4 means x power 3 by 4. So if you send this one right side, v is directly proportional to x power 3 by 4 whole power 1 by 2. v is directly proportional to x power 3 by 8. This is velocity and acceleration. How we came to know power? Power is going to be force into velocity. Therefore, so power relation we can write F into V. What is the F value they gave? 1 by x power 1 by 4. What is the velocity relation we got with respect to x? X into, sorry, x power 3 by 8. This is velocity, this is force. If you send it to numerator, x power 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Then you can take LCM. Power is directly proportional to x power 8, 3 minus 2, that is going to be x power 1 by 8. Now, how power is related with the distance means x power 1 by 8. Therefore, from this equation, P is directly proportional to x power n means x power, here we got 1 by 8. Now, what is n value? N value is going to be 1 by 8. Like this, they are going to ask the problems. This one, force related with distance. Same question you can do root x also. Same like this. That is called practice, we will say. And same question you can take time also. Whenever you are taking with time, you have to take dv by dt. So, like this, you can practice. You will be getting question very easily. Thank you.